Hey guys, good morning. I've been told by ChatGPT, and I talk to ChatGPT a lot. I ask every question about this vlog, questions about comedy, questions about my diet, everything. I talk to ChatGPT almost all day. Um, and I've been told to kind of make these vlogs conceptual. Every vlog should be about a specific one idea than generic like daily vlog 75, 76, whatever it is. So that's what I'm going to do in terms of titling the vlogs. I also need to figure out what is one central idea throughout the day, right? What is the day about? So this is the morning and it's 10 a.m. right now, and I'm going to hit the gym. So what is the day today about? I'm still focusing on getting the weight down. My target for July now is 57 kilos, right? I want to hit 57 by the end of July, and I'm about 59 point something this morning. So I'm not happy because I did go to 58.9 2 days back, but I've jumped again a little higher. I don't know why. I don't know why. So losing weight and getting a six pack is an impossible goal. Okay, I think that's what this vlog is about. Getting a six pack is an impossible goal. That's the title of this vlog. So I'm gonna hit a dance class. After that, I'll do some crunches. I'm keeping gym a little light today after the 3.5 hours marathon yesterday. Tomorrow I have planned boxing and a burn session. A burn is a full body session. Full body session mostly focuses on entire body fitness. Alright, so that's the focus of the day. Besides this, some administrative tasks to attend to. I need to also work on some financial ideas, stuff to bring some money, which is again a goal for this month, right? So cool. Whatever time of the day you're watching this, I wish you a great day, great evening, great night, and try to be happy.
Is it like too much nudity to record? I don't care. I'm about to go to sleep for a while. I went for lunch. I had chicken biryani. There's a local shop here I found. The guy is not popular inside the local market, and he sells very reasonable Hyderabadi biryani. It's excellent. It's amazing. Like the other day I had quarter. Today I had half a biryani. So I'm gonna sleep a bit now because I've been up since about 5, 6, whatever. I slept about 4 or 5 hours. So I'm really sleepy. I've done a bunch of things since morning. There's another bunch of things to do, but I need to rest a bit. Otherwise, so I had biryani and also chai after that. I had Dil Ka Shah. That's what I had. So there's some administrative bullshit I'm attending to, which is just irritating because people are fucking irritating. A lot of people disappoint me all the time. Every day people disappoint me because I'm just too disciplined for people. People are so irresponsible, careless, and indisciplined that so many people just every day disappoint. So I'm just irritated with people all the time. I can't lower my standards for people, right? If I can't get people who adhere or are willing to rise up to my standards, I'm not talking to people. I can live my life by myself. I'll figure out. I'll have to deal with some people who are disciplined and I can accept and I can bear. But otherwise, I can't bear with most people. I find most people irritating. So I just wasted about an hour talking to someone. It's just wasting my time. So I'm a little angry. But I'll cool down. So I'm gonna sleep a bit, then I'll catch up later in the evening. I've obviously got a show in the evening and a bachata dance class. So yeah, this stuff to look for in evening. Cool. I'll catch you guys.
Hey guys, so it's evening now. It's 7:54. I have 6 minutes to go for my dance class, and I've come here. This market is there in near Gallagher, and the dance classes happen here. This is the second time I'm coming here. It's my third bachata class, and I've got the basics, I guess. But there's steps which are complicated, which I'm trying to learn. So I'm heading for the dance class now. In the afternoon, I had biryani, chicken biryani. I had it after a long time, but that biryani in Sector 56 that I found is really nice. And it's not expensive. So 140 bucks for like half biryani. Last time I had quarter, that was 70 bucks. This time I had 140 rupees, very reasonably priced, but the chicken is soft, supple, sexy. So really nice biryani, found it. Then I had some bale sharbat. Then I had in the evening, I think, did I allow myself? Yes, I had a toast with peanut butter, so that's some protein. I didn't have eggs. I considered having an egg in the evening also, but I didn't have it. My diet has become a full-time thing to monitor, right? It's like to have a body like I have now, and to try and hit a six-pack. I'm pretty close to a six-pack. We're wearing a vest right now, and it looks like, it doesn't look like I have any fat on my body, but I'm still not, the six-pack is still not showing. So maybe I don't need to be 57, 58, as long as the six-pack shows. So I'm doing my crunches. Even while coming here, I did like 100 crunches. So I did bicycle crunches and leg raises. So yeah, I need to keep this body. And to keep this body, I need to eat very, very disciplined, and yeah. I'm trying to create a certain kind of a person, and like the people everywhere, like where the fuck you standing in India, somebody comes from somewhere. Like even if you're standing in some sort of a cave, somebody will come out of the cave, because there's so many people in India. It's the fucking most populated country in the world. कहीं भी खड़े होगे कोई ना कोई आ जाएगा. So I'm heading on dance class after that, because this is a bit tight schedule, right? Because 8 to 9 is the dance class and 9:30 is the show. So from here, so I have to, last time they were extending the dance class, so I had to leave in the middle of the class because it wasn't ended, because I had to hit the show. Tonight also, the show is already confirmed. There are 9 tickets. And so I'll have to leave at 9, and so I can reach by 9:20, have my dinner. I'll see if I have dinner or not. Maybe I'll soup or something very light. So I'll see what to do. I think I've already written barbecue chicken wings. That's the plan. So they're light and they are protein. So and I've had enough fiber today. I also had artichokes today, like meaty texture, vegetable something, plant protein. I didn't like the taste much, but it's fiber. So I've had enough fiber for today. I think I'm just gonna have barbecue chicken wings and mojito with very less sugar. So that's the plan. Cool. I'll catch you. Hey guys, time for the day review. The day was partly pretty good, partly boring. So I mean, there was some administrative shit to do, which I had to waste my time. People disappoint me a lot, right? And sometimes it happens that I choose people who I think would be disciplined and conscientious, but then I make mistakes. So people disappoint me. So that happens, but that's okay. That's part of life. Otherwise, that was till evening, about 3-4 o'clock. Then morning I hit the gym today. I hit a dance class and I did some crunches. Although they kept it pretty light today because the marathon yesterday totally tore me. So I kept it pretty light today. Evening was pretty good. Evening was the good part of the day because I had the bachata class at 8, which is a lot of fun, right? I've started enjoying it, and I'm a good dancer. All right, let me put it out there. I'm a good dancer. So I'm improving at bachata. That's because the dancing I learned at Cult has made me a better dancer. So then I had the show. One show got cancelled. The show here at theatre got cancelled, but the show at Guftagu was pretty good. I hosted and really good audience. Had a lot of fun. So overall, this day was about 7 on the happiness scale. I think it's good. Considering the first part of the day was wasted a lot, but I think I focused on what was good. So 6 to 7. 6.5. Alright, 6.5. So that'll be the day review. I hope you're feeling happy. I hope you're trying to be happy, because that's the whole point of my vlog. I want you to try and be happy. Always try to be happy. If you're struggling with happiness, talk to me. I'm a bit of an authority. It's not that I'm always happy, but I try to be happy, and that's the goal of my life. That's the goal of my life, to try and make other people happy also. I've written a book on happiness. So if you have questions about happiness, comment in. I'll respond. Okay. So that'll be the day review. Okay. There's just one last thing on my mind, and it's just funny, so I want to share. There's some expressions in Hindi, like a couple of expressions come into my mind right now. Like I was in the market today, and there's a bike, and the bike had this written on the back, whatever. What do you call it? Bonnet, like back guard, right? Tire guard, whatever it is called. It said "Chal Juti."
It's just a funny expression to say, right? And you can't say chal jhuti without saying it in the tone of chal jhuti. And similarly, there's a song where Honey Singh is using this expression. "Ye kuch nahi hota." So you can't say kuch nahi hota without saying this in this tone. Kuch nahi hota. So some expressions are just funny just because they are like that, right? So kuch nahi hota.